Gusto mo rin ba yung modern, spacious, single-detached house and lot para sa iyong pamilya? Malapit lang sa Metro Manila at airport at accessible ka lang din going to Daanghari at Alabang. Tahimik, exclusive, secured ang community para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo. At higit sa lahat, hindi binabaha at malayo sa fault line. If yes, then welcome to your dream home, our California model here at Anyana Bel Air and Antel Grand Village. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another house tour. And isa nga si Anyana Bel Air sa pinakamabenta naming community and units right now. Ano ba naman kasi nag-step up talaga ang ating developer at hindi lang ito basta-basta subdivision, it's a complete township where everything you need is within your reach. And for this gorgeous unit, we have a minimum lot area requirement of 175 square meters, and of course, may available pa tayong bigger lot size such as corner lot and end lot units that is subject for availability. And our floor area is approximately at 203 square meters, and what I like about this unit, dahil nga single detached unit tayo, napakaganda at napakaaliwalas talaga ng bahay. Here, you have an ample space for your outdoor dining, o di kaya you can have this as your lanai or pocket garden. Of course, you also have extra lots sa likuran ng unit where you can do future expansion and renovation as part of your kitchen area or service area pwede rin. At isa nga sa nagustuhan ko sa community ni Anyana Bel Air, napaka-modern ng mga designs ng mga units na ino-offer natin. And by the way, kung gusto mo naman na ikaw ang magde-design ng bahay na gusto mong tirahan, yes, we also offer lot packages only at syempre dito rin yan sa community ni Anyana. And also, this is our dress-up unit to give you the idea on how you can furnish your house and lot upon turnover sa inyo. We have a total of 5 bedrooms and we have 1 room na nasa ground floor which is perfectly layouted, especially if you have elderly in the family kasi katabi lang niya yung common toilet and bath din natin sa ground floor. Of course, you can use it as well as your guest room, office room, entertainment room, o di kaya study room for your kids. For this unit pala, we have a provision for 1 to 2 vehicle carport and of course, covered na rin yan. And by the way, open layout lang tayo sa kitchen, dining, and also living area, so you can really customize kung ano man yung interior na gusto nyong gawin upon turnover ng ating unit. Tulad nga na nabanggit ko prior hand, one of the leverage of our community is that it is a complete township kung saan meron ka ng places of worship inside the community and even a BGC set up for the commercial spaces. Right now, operational na one of the well-known coffee shop brand sa ating commercial space, and for sure, tuloy-tuloy na ang mga other brands na magsisitayuan dito. On top of that, malapit lang din tayo sa future Central Business District here in Cavite, such as Mega World and all